Dear students of Standard 8, welcome to the class of English First Paper. Today we are going to learn Unit 5, that is Bangabandhu and Bangladesh. And from this unit we will learn today Lesson 1, Bangabandhu and the Language Movement. My dear students, I know that you are well aware of the history of the language movement of our country. You have read about it in history. Here, in short, a lesson is given for you, a text is given for you. There are 3 paras in this text. I have given some word meaning first. Though the words are not new to you, still I have given the meaning because to solve MCQ, you should know the synonyms of these words. So, let's see the word meaning first. In the first passage, the word is given mass movement, Gano Andolon, the action taken by people from all walks of life to achieve or oppose something. Central figure, Kendriyo Choritro, the person who takes the lead. Rallies, Shomabesh, meetings, gatherings, assemblies, etc. Strikes, Dharmoghat, work stoppage. Discriminatory, বৈষম্যমূলক, biased, prejudiced, inequitable, etc. Language policy, ভাষানীতি, a course of action taken by an individual or a group regarding language. Convocation, সমাবর্তন, a formal ceremony for the university students. Announcement, ঘোষণা, declaration. Vehemently, তীব্রভাবে বা প্রবলভাবে, passionately, strongly, or intensely. You must learn the word meaning. It will help you to solve MCQ. So let's read the text. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was one of the few student leaders who played a significant role in turning the language movement into a mass movement. Follow the structure of the first part of the sentence. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was one of the few student leaders. One of the, where there is one of the, then the noun will be in plural, who played a significant role in turning the language movement into a mass movement. As a student leader, he was the central figure in organizing mass gatherings, rallies, and strikes for raising awareness against the discriminatory language policy of Pakistan. The language movement started when the Governor General of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, declared Urdu and only Urdu shall be the state language of Pakistan on 19 March 1948 at the Racecourse Maidan while addressing a public gathering. He again uttered the same on 24th March 1948 at the University of Dhaka during his convocation speech. The students instantly protested against this announcement vehemently. We all know about this history. Next, we'll read the second passage or second para, but before that, the word meanings are initiate, শুরু করা বা সূত্রপাত করা, begin, start or launch. Echoed, পুনরাবৃত্তি করা, repeated or copied. Activism, সক্রিয়তাবাদ or involvement. Hunger strike, অনশন ধর্মঘট, a prolonged refusal to eat carried out as a protest. The text is, it was the time when young Mujib started organizing the student front of Muslim League in East Pakistan. He was proud of his Bengali identity and very active to initiate strikes and protest against the language policy of Pakistan government. Later, the then Prime Minister of Pakistan, Khaja Nazimuddin, echoed the statement of Mr. Jinnah on 26 January 1952. Mujib was in prison during this time due to his political activism and was admitted to the Dhaka Medical College under police custody. However, he stayed in constant touch with other leaders directly engaged in the movement to make Bangla the state language. His directions from prison led the movement to a success. On 14 February, he started a hunger strike there. Now, we'll read the third para, and here is the word meaning. Defy means অমান্য করা, disobey or violate. Imposed, জারি বা আরোপিত, it is enforced. Autobiography, আত্মজীবনী, an account of one's life written by oneself. You may have heard the name of the book, বঙ্গবন্ধুর অসমাপ্ত আত্মজীবনী. You can read it. The last part of the text. During a general strike on 21st February 1952, the protesting students tried to defy Section 144 imposed by the government. The police opened fire and killed a number of students, including Abdul Salam, Rafiquddin Ahmed, Abul Barkat, Abdul Jabbar, and others. In his autobiography, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman says, "We decided in the meeting in my room to observe 21st February as State Language Day and to form a committee that day to conduct the movement to establish Bengali as the state language." So this is all about the text. Here are some exercises in your textbook. Let's try to solve it. First one is given MCQ. Exercise C, there are 5 MCQ. Let's solve it. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman played a significant role in our language movement. What does the underlined word mean here? That means what is meant by significant here? The answer will be B, important. The protesting students tried to defy Section 144 imposed by the government. What does the underlined word defy means? That is to refuse. What is the meaning of the word autobiography in the passage? Correct answer, option C, the story of a person's life written by that person himself. Number 4, which of the following words is the meaning of central in the passage? Central means most important. 5 number, we decided in the meeting in my room to observe 21st February as State Language Day. What does the underlined word observe mean? That is option A, to celebrate. You must complete it in your book. Our next exercise is exercise D. Here 3 questions are given. The questions are very easy. You can write it yourself. Still, I am trying to brief you. Number 1. Where was Sheikh Mujibur Rahman during the language movement in 1952? From the text, we learned that Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was in prison during the language movement in 1952. Actually, he was arrested due to his political activism and was admitted to the Dhaka Medical College under police custody. Number 2. Why do you think Mujib struggled for establishing Bengali as the state language? We can write, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman struggled for establishing Bengali as the state language because of his deep love for his mother tongue. He was proud of his Bengali identity. So, the discriminatory language policy of Pakistan government upset him. So, as a student leader, he actively took part to initiate strikes and organize protest. Last question. What happened on 21st February in 1952? In the text it is written that on 21st February in 1952, the protesting students attempted to defy Section 144 imposed by the government. The police fired at the group of demonstrating students. As a result, a number of students, including Abdul Salam, Rafiquddin Ahmed, Abul Barkat, Abdul Jabbar, and others, were killed. Next, we have another exercise, that is number E. Here, a matching is given, but there is a problem in the matching. You see the underlined word involved. Actually, this word does not match with any one of the left side. So, here will be one correction. Now, see the correction and correct answer. Discriminatory, that is unfair. Vehemently, strongly. Open fire, begin to shoot. Stay in touch, be in a communication. Engaged in, that will be involved in. Raise awareness, here we will write create consciousness. So do the correction in your book also. My dear students, you must practice model question at home. Goodbye everybody.